It's the girls' 5th day of camp. I have to rake them up. It's already Thanksgiving. Can't believe it already. How is it already November? I feel like it was just September, not so long ago. I'm gonna go make them some food and get them up soon. I'm gonna make them. I guess I'll make them some pancakes. They really like pancakes, so that's what I'm gonna make them today. Okay, so I'm gonna check the news probably after this just to make sure everything's going good at the camp, and then I'm gonna have them come downstairs, eat breakfast, have them get ready and stuff. So, and then yeah, so this is happening today. I think one of my children are sleepwalking.
Gingerbread house. Toilet.
Sorry about that, guys. I think they're just sleepwalking there. Okay, I'm gonna go wake them up.
Gummy worms. Ornament. Cookies.
Bella, time to wake up.
Nope. Oh my god, I'm so tired. No.
It's okay. You
Teddy
have
bear.
camp. Alright, come on.
What the heck is that sound?
Come on, April. It's time to wake up. Bella, come on.
Sugar plums.
Get up, Bella. Bella, you have camp. You have to get up.
What is that sound though?
I don't know. Your sister's sleepwalking. I'm gonna get her ready and stuff. Here, I'll wake her up. Here you go.
What the heck?
Okay.
Where am I? What did you do to me?
You were sleepwalking. You're sleepwalking. All right, it's time to eat. It's time to eat. You guys have some pancakes and then go get ready for camp. Have some pancakes and go get ready. And then after you eat, go get ready for camp.
I don't want pancakes, Mommy. They taste like butt.
What do you want?
I love pancakes, creamy, crunchy, Nutella. I want something else.
Okay, what do you want? Okay, I will give you guys. I will give you something else. All right, guys, you need to chill out. We gotta take a blueberry muffin. All right, well then.
I'm gonna go get ready for camp.
All right, go get ready for camp. April, go get ready for camp. Here.
Why? Why do we have to go to camp? Why can't we go to school?
Because, school.
What the heck?
You guys are homeschooled. You guys are homeschooled,
Mommy,
so I
I'm
decided
not
to let you go to camp.
Can I just get in the car?
No, you have to wait for your sisters. Come on, let's watch.
Alright,
Let's watch the news while we wait. Let's watch the news.
Mommy.
Attention, all news. There is a hurricane coming today, and this hurricane will be hitting us today. And it's really weird because it is Thanksgiving Day. Stay safe and keep your kids safe. Camps will still be in action today, but if the hurricane comes, please pick your kids up as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the news. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Are you ready for camp, guys?
Yes, I want to go to camp.
I'm gonna pick you up. I might pick you up earlier today. Okay, guys?
Why?
There's a hurricane that's supposed to hit us.
What? Did you just hit me?
Bella.
I'm gonna throw this gingerbread house.
Bella, where are you?
In the kitchen.
Okay, come. Alright, guys, let's go. Why is there a gingerbread house all over the floor?
I don't know.
Okay, let's just go. Don't eat any of that, Nora. Don't eat any of that.
Why are the cabinets open?
Alright, come on, come on. Alright, guys, you're gonna be late to camp. You're gonna be late to camp. We have to hurry up.
It's dark out.
I know it's early in the morning. It gets brighter later now.
It's very
It's okay. Alright, guys, sit down.
Hey, why can't I sit?
Alright, just sit down. Quick, quick, quick. We're gonna be late. Alright, let's go. Let's go. We're gonna be late.
My booster seat is the color green.
Okay, guys, stop fighting.
April said a bad word.
I know. Alright, stop fighting, guys. We gotta get you to camp.
Mommy, mommy, mommy.
Yes, yes.
Mommy. Can we get ice cream?
Maybe once the hurricane leaves. Once this hurricane leaves, you can.
Mommy, mommy, mommy.
It's okay. It probably won't even hit us. Depending on the way it's going, it probably won't even hit us. So don't worry.
Mommy.
Yes. Yes.
April keeps saying bad words.
April, stop. You know
Yeah,
better.
April.
Okay, guys, stop fighting.
You're a butthead.
Okay, guys, we need to have a good attitude here for camp. Guys, you need to have a good attitude. For camp, you need to have a good attitude. Well, then you might get in trouble and have to go sit in the naughty corner, which you don't like.
I want to drive this car into a bridge so you
No.
won't fall off.
Alright. Alright, guys, bye. Have fun at camp.
Bye.
I'll come pick you up later. Hopefully the hurricane doesn't hit us.
Bella.
I'm just gonna drive home. Hopefully they're gonna be okay.
Stop. Bella, you smell so bad. Mommy. She just said a bad word. I don't want to go to camp today. I feel like getting ice cream. April, you can't say that. That's a bad word.
Okay, girls. Today at camp, we are going to be doing arts and crafts. But your parents should be here earlier today because there's supposed to be a big hurricane. So they'll be here in about 2 hours, maybe even earlier, just to get you guys ready. Okay,
Mrs. Camp.
here you guys
Mrs.
go.
Camp person.
Here-
Mrs. Camp person.
Yes.
Can I not do arts and crafts? Because last time I did arts and crafts, April ate my paper.
Okay, well, I'll separate you and April then, okay? But
Okay.
you have to do this because you're gonna give it to your parents. You're gonna make a hot chocolate cup with marshmallows in it, with paper and stuff, and you're gonna write what you're thankful for.
Their own coffin.
Oh, that's not very nice, honey. All right, April, sit next to Sally, and then Jonathan, sit. Sally's that girl with the blonde hair, okay? And then Jonathan, sit next to Summer. Oh, I don't want to sit next to Summer. Well, you have to.
That is mean for you to say.
Okay, why are all these cabinets open? What did they do before they go? Gosh, they destroy this house in 5 seconds. Every single cabinet. I'm gonna make them some.
April ate my paper
I have
again.
to clean. Okay, how did she get to your paper? I'm gonna clean this house. I'm gonna call your parents if you keep saying things like this. That is unacceptable of you ladies. Okay, I'm gonna read the news to make sure they're okay. Attention! Attention! The hurricane is coming right now.
pick up your kids as soon as possible. It should be here in 5 minutes. Uh-oh, I gotta go pick them up quickly.
I'm running home. I wonder how high I can jump now.
After I go get them. Uh-oh.
You're jumping up and down on your butt. Booty.
Uh-oh, I'm almost there. It's starting to hail. I should close the roof.
Okay, I'm gonna start dismissing people. Jonathan Carocha, you are dismissed. Sally Witherson, you can go. Sarah Bajeski, your parents are here to pick you up. Leah and Spiker, your parents are here to pick you up. Summer, April, and Bella Skabash, your parents are here to pick you up. Get in!
Get in the car, poopy head.
Get in, quick!
Ow, my head. Ow.
Quick, we have to go get your sis. Okay. Get in, Bella.
You are a stinky rat.
Get in.
Well,
Oh my god. Guys, we have to run. There's a tornado behind us.